What's going on, you guys? In today's video, we're gonna be going over to a great friend of mine's house, Jessica Van Camp, and her husband house. They actually got the stud that's going to Monica. His name is Denali, I believe. Man, a beautiful dog. Man, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful dog. But y'all gonna see him in this video. But they got the stud that's going to Monica. I can't wait to show y'all. Hopefully we have some beautiful puppies on the ground. So we gonna go ahead and take y'all up there. I'm gonna run over to my guy Red house and pick up some AI kits because I gotta order some more. And that's the great thing about having good friends in this bully community. You can do stuff like that. So I'm gonna run over to my guy Red house, pick up some AI kits, and then we gonna go ahead and take my girl Monica up the hill to the breeding. And get this breeding finished, you guys. So once I get those AI kits from my guy Red, we gonna go ahead and head up there to that boy Denali, and we gonna start this breeding off right. Today is gonna be the first AI that we gonna do on my girl. So I'm gonna let y'all check that out. But on to the next scene.
Camera ready. I'm in here looking a mess, man. It ain't about me though, it's about the dogs, man. Come on.
Hey, man. I had to record though. I wanted to see them. I'm like, I'm about to see them.
Yeah,
nobody ain't seen them yet.
My daughter here.
You said that's a Rocco daughter?
Yeah.
Like tried.
2 times Rocco, baby Cake's granddaughter. Then we got my girl here.
And that's a female, right?
Yeah. Come here, Hulu. This is my wild one right here. She's wild.
Oh, she looks super good.
Heavy muscle tone. Got some chumber in there. Homicide granddaughter, yeah.
She looks super good.
Yeah.
Man, I just had to get them on camera, man.
Yeah.
I had to pull the
I'll
camera
take her
out
to
for
get her
that.
ears cropped Friday. Getting them laser.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, Earl. Come here, boy. You want to get some camera time? Come here. Come here.
And as y'all know, my guy Chris, we got Earl the
Hey, chill out, boy. Chill out.
man. Y'all see, he coming with more and more heat.
Chapo, sit. Sit. Stay. Nope. Stay.
Right there. That's the little brindle. She only should be 8 weeks, 30.
Hey, cool it.
Yep.
What blood you say she got in?
This is straight takeoff daughter right here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, takeoff daughter, Bitcoin granddaughter. Yeah, it's got this from my boy Ralph, MME Bullies.
Yeah, she nice.
Yeah, this is Riviera right here, little Riri.
Yeah, she's super nice. You say her name Riviera?
Yeah.
That's hard.
Yeah. You know I got all the
that's
cars.
all
We
right.
got all the car names.
Yeah.
I'm about to show you Maserati real quick. Little Mazda.
Mamas!
Oh, this way. Oh, baby. here. Yeah.
Hey.
We got my little Merle. This bad apple.
You said that's a bad apple. That's a girl, ain't it?
Yeah, it's bad apple daughter right here. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Shout out to my boy Brandon from Memphis, Tennessee. Yeah. She a mess right here.
Jeez. Oh shit. And she's still super tiny, bro.
Yeah, she ain't gonna get that
She'll be 14 weeks.
big. Yeah, she'll be 14 weeks a month. So they like 5-6 weeks apart. Yeah. They like 5-6 weeks apart.
What's up, crazy?
Yeah, you remember her right
Looking
there.
thicker than the Snickers.
That's Chevelle right there. That's
She look like she got bigger than she just got a little grown lady body now.
yeah. Come here.
Yeah, she did. She's starting to swell up.
Come here. Yeah, she started to smell up. Come here, baby.
That's about to be her first heat.
Yep.
Yep.
So she'll probably be ready by the end of the year. No.
This is my baby Chevelle right here. This for my boy, the CBK kennels right here. My boy Big Moot.
Cincinnati Bullies.
Yeah, Cincinnati Bully kennels. Yeah, this is my
For
thick
sure,
baby right
shout
here.
out to bruh.
Yeah, she only 6 months right here. Yeah, my boy produced her.
Super thick.
Yeah.
She easy 35, 40 pounds.
Yeah. Then this is the big boy of the house right here. Big Denali.
The baby grandson.
This the boy that we bring Monica to right here.
Yeah. Here, baby grandson right there. That's a
Oh, they look perfect together.
they
Off
do
of
too.
TWT.
Yeah, TWT Bullies. If y'all follow Doug from TWT Bullies, he produced him.
Oh, yeah.
MK Bulls. He got the father.
Santoya.
Yeah, Santoya, which is Maple. I mean, no, I'm tripping, which is Mission.
Mission.
Yeah, Mission is his father. And Mission is a direct bake son.
Yeah, I already know.
Oh, you hip to him? Oh, you been following him already? That's what's up.
Crazy.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Yeah, man. So they got some great blood going over here.
Yeah.
Danny, I wouldn't even say they starting the program, man. This already started.
We still at the beginning stage, so they gonna perk.
It's
We
already
ain't making
started.
no noise. Yeah, we got.
Yeah, it is though. Believe it or not,
appreciate
people
it,
ain't got stuff like this.
Hey,
Right,
hey.
right. I feel that.
Look at this girl right here, and these females.
Yep.
Yeah, they
Yeah,
females.
we got all
She knows
females,
she a
all these
baby.
boys.
Yeah, she
Yep.
big baby.
Yep. Come on, we'll let her run for a minute. I'm gonna put them up. Look at mama.
You could do it.
Yeah, he be.
Yeah, we don't be stacking no
I was like, yeah, I ain't never even stacked him. Damn, that's crazy.
You could just feel like she just like comfortable doing.
See, yeah. See, yeah, he be looking. He
He
be
like, what's going on?
right. I was about to say he act like that all the time. Cause even when I do stuff with him like that, he be looking at me like, "What you doing, pimp? Good boy. Stay like that. Good boy. Good boy. Look at mommy. Look up there. Good boy. Chill.
Monica.
He's looking like dope. Good boy. Chill. Stay. Stay there now.
So what's going on, you guys? Right now we got the Monica and Denali breeding going on. You want to get them your information and tell them, cause I know a bunch of people gonna hit me up. Y'all see this boy right here?
Yeah.
Let me
This.
see.
Go ahead. You can get it. Yeah.
Y'all see this boy right here?
We up and coming. We new though. You know what I mean? We G&J Bullies, but you can. My name is Greg, but you call me G. My girl Jessica. You can find us at my girl Facebook page. What is it? Jessica Van Camp.
Hit them. So he said, hit them up on Facebook at Jessica Van Camp. You can look that up on Facebook.
Yep.
They got this boy Denali right here. He a mission son. Man, he's super thick. I'm gonna be taking him to Monica. I know they gonna have some beautiful puppies. He come from Bape Blood, right? You said Bape? Yeah.
Baby grandson.
Bape grandson. Man, he beautiful. I know they gonna have some beautiful
Underneath.
ticked up
He carry all the
tri puppies, cause Monica a tri carrier. So I know they gonna have some beautiful puppies, man. We got a great breeding going down right now. As y'all seen in my last video, I mentioned him in my last video. This the male I was gonna be taking her to. So I know y'all gonna hit me up. Y'all, what y'all got a stuff here right now?
Right now we at 1,000 right now. Yep.
Yeah, so
Y'all need to holler at us now, cause right now he just now getting out there. He was a kept secret for a while, but we about to start promoting him now.
look at that boy, man. Y'all need to get it while it's hot, man.
Man, yeah.
1,000, man, that's hot, man. Y'all need to
15
get it while it's
months
hot.
We also
15
are-
months old.
Yeah, man, but this gonna be a superstar breeding, like I said in my last video. Y'all see it, man. dome, bone, structure. Super short, super compact. Both super compact, man. It's gonna be a great breeding, you guys. If y'all want to use this guy right here for stud, like I said, hit them up.
Jessica Van Camp on Facebook, G&J Bullies on Instagram.
And there y'all go. But man, this gonna be a breeding for the books, y'all. Stay tuned.
Look at it.